What are exceptions in Python? An exception is an error detected when Python runs your code. Let's do some examples. Print 10 divided by 0. If we run this code, we'll see a zero division error because the result of zero division is not defined. Now let's do something a little different. 2 plus string 2. If we run this code, we'll see a type error because we can't add a string to an integer. An interesting part of this, unlike syntax errors, which I did a video on before this that I'll link to down below, Python happily runs any valid code before the exception. To demonstrate this, if we print hi before the addition, then run the code, you'll see hi still prints, then it gives us the type error. One last thing, why are so many exceptions called errors in Python? When we divide by 0, we don't get a zero division exception, we get a zero division error. Well, because that's literally recommended in Python style guide PEP8. To paraphrase, it says, suffix or add to the end of your exception names the word error. So of course Python would follow its own recommendation. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.